Introduction: How to be your own boss. In today's fast-paced world, the dream of being your own boss is more attainable than ever. This video will guide you through the essential steps to take control of your career and embrace the entrepreneurial spirit. We'll explore the mindset shifts necessary for success, practical strategies for launching your own business, and tips for overcoming common challenges that aspiring entrepreneurs face. Get ready to dive into the exciting journey of self-employment, where you can turn your passions into profits and create a lifestyle that aligns with your values. Whether you're considering starting a side hustle or diving headfirst into a full-time venture, this video is designed to equip you with the knowledge and confidence you need to thrive. We'll discuss the importance of cultivating a growth mindset, setting clear goals, and developing resilience in the face of setbacks. By mastering these principles, you'll not only enhance your chances of success, but also enjoy the freedom and fulfillment that comes with being your own boss. So if you're ready to take charge of your future and unlock your potential, stay tuned. Together, we'll embark on a transformative journey that empowers you to build the business of your dreams and live life on your own terms. Let's get started on this exciting path to entrepreneurship. Step 1. Identify your passion and purpose. The first step in becoming your own boss is to identify your passion and purpose. Reflect on what truly excites you and aligns with your core values. Think about the activities that make you lose track of time or the topics you can't stop talking about. This self-reflection is crucial, as it lays the foundation for a fulfilling business venture. Once you have a clear understanding of your passions, consider how they can translate into a viable business idea. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve with my skills and interests? Who would benefit from what I have to offer? This exploration will help you identify potential niches and opportunities in the market that resonate with your enthusiasm. To further clarify your vision, write down your purpose statement. This statement should encapsulate what you aim to achieve through your business and the impact you want to make. A well-crafted purpose statement serves as a guiding light, helping you stay focused and motivated as you navigate the entrepreneurial journey. By identifying your passion and purpose, you not only set the stage for a successful business, but also ensure that your work is meaningful and fulfilling. Embrace this step as an opportunity to align your career with your true self, paving the way for a rewarding and sustainable entrepreneurial path. Remember, when you love what you do, success will naturally follow. Step 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is essential for anyone looking to be their own boss. This mindset encourages you to embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Instead of viewing obstacles as setbacks, see them as valuable lessons that can propel you forward. Each challenge you encounter can teach you something new, helping you refine your skills and strategies. Staying open to feedback is another crucial aspect of a growth mindset. Constructive criticism can provide insights that you might not have considered, allowing you to adapt your strategies accordingly. Whether it's from customers, peers, or mentors, feedback is a powerful tool for improvement. Embrace it with an open heart and mind, and use it to enhance your business approach. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences and mentors can significantly impact your journey. Seek out individuals who inspire you and share your entrepreneurial spirit. These connections can provide guidance, support, and encouragement, helping you navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals fosters a collaborative environment where ideas can flourish. By cultivating a growth mindset, you position yourself for long-term success. This mindset not only enhances your resilience, but also fuels your passion for learning and innovation. Remember, the journey of being your own boss is filled with opportunities for growth, and embracing this mindset will empower you to seize them all. Step 3. Set clear goals and objectives. Setting clear goals and objectives is a vital step in your journey to becoming your own boss. Start by defining both short-term and long-term goals for your business. Short-term goals might include launching your website or securing your first client, while long-term goals could involve expanding your product line or reaching a specific revenue target. Having a mix of both types of goals helps you maintain focus and motivation. To ensure your goals are effective, utilize the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to increase sales," A SMART goal would be, I aim to increase sales by 20% within the next 6 months. This clarity not only provides direction but also allows you to track your progress effectively. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals is equally important. As you grow and learn more about your business and the market, you may find that some goals need to be modified or replaced. Set aside time each month to assess your progress, celebrate your achievements, and identify any obstacles you may need to overcome. This practice keeps you agile and responsive to changes in your business environment. By setting clear goals and objectives, you create a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. This structured approach not only enhances your focus, but also empowers you to measure your success and make informed decisions along the way. Remember, clarity in your goals is key to achieving your vision. Step 4. Develop a strong work ethic. Developing a strong work ethic is crucial for anyone aspiring to be their own boss. Establishing a daily routine that promotes productivity can set the tone for your workday. Start by identifying the times when you feel most energized and focused, and schedule your most important tasks during those periods. A consistent routine helps create a sense of normalcy and discipline, making it easier to stay on track. Prioritizing tasks and managing your time effectively is another key component of a strong work ethic. Use tools like to-do lists or digital planners to organize your tasks based on urgency and importance. This approach allows you to focus on what truly matters, ensuring that you make steady progress toward your goals. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Identifying high-impact activities can significantly enhance your productivity. Staying disciplined and committed to your business objectives is essential for long-term success. There will be distractions and challenges along the way, but maintaining your focus will help you overcome them. Set boundaries to minimize interruptions and hold yourself accountable for your commitments. Consider finding an accountability partner or joining a group of fellow entrepreneurs to share your progress and challenges. By developing a strong work ethic, you lay the groundwork for a successful entrepreneurial journey. This commitment to hard work and discipline not only drives your business forward, but also instills a sense of pride and accomplishment in your efforts. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your dreams. Step 5. Build a support network. Building a support network is a vital step in your journey to becoming your own boss. Connecting with like-minded entrepreneurs and professionals can provide you with invaluable insights, encouragement, and motivation. Surrounding yourself with individuals who share your passion for entrepreneurship creates an environment where ideas can flourish and collaboration can thrive. Attend local meetups, workshops, or industry events to meet others who are on a similar path. Joining networking groups or online communities is another effective way to expand your support network. Platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and specialized forums offer opportunities to engage with fellow entrepreneurs, share experiences, and seek advice. These communities can be a treasure trove of resources, from tips on best practices to recommendations for tools and services that can help your business grow. Engaging in discussions and sharing your own knowledge can also establish you as a valuable member of the community. Seeking mentorship from experienced business owners can further enhance your support network. A mentor can provide guidance, share their experiences, and help you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. Look for someone whose journey resonates with you and who is willing to invest time in your development. Their insights can be instrumental in helping you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your growth. By building a strong support network, you create a safety net that can help you overcome obstacles and celebrate successes. Remember, entrepreneurship can be a lonely journey, but with the right connections, you can find the encouragement and resources needed to thrive. Step 6. Embrace resilience and adaptability. Embracing resilience and adaptability is essential for anyone looking to thrive as their own boss. In the entrepreneurial world, setbacks and failures are inevitable. Learning to bounce back from these challenges is crucial for long-term success. Instead of viewing failures as the end of the road, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Each setback can provide valuable lessons that help you refine your strategies and strengthen your resolve. Staying flexible and open to change in your business approach is equally important. The market landscape is constantly evolving, and being rigid in your methods can hinder your progress. Embrace new ideas, technologies, and trends that can enhance your business. By remaining adaptable, You position yourself to seize opportunities that may arise unexpectedly, allowing your business to thrive in a dynamic environment. Developing strong problem-solving skills is another key aspect of resilience. Challenges will arise, and having the ability to navigate them effectively can set you apart from others. Approach problems with a solution-oriented mindset, breaking them down into manageable parts. This analytical approach not only helps you find effective solutions, but also builds your confidence in handling future challenges. By embracing resilience and adaptability, you create a robust foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. These qualities empower you to face obstacles head-on, pivot when necessary, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Remember, the ability to adapt and recover is what distinguishes successful entrepreneurs from those who give up in the face of adversity. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored essential steps to becoming your own boss, emphasizing the importance of mindset in achieving business success. We began by identifying your passion and purpose, which serves as the foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. Next, we discussed the significance of cultivating a growth mindset, allowing you to embrace challenges and learn from feedback. Setting clear goals and objectives was highlighted as a way to create a roadmap for your business, while developing a strong work ethic ensures you stay disciplined and focused. We also covered the necessity of building a support network, connecting with like-minded individuals, and seeking mentorship to enhance your journey. Embracing resilience and adaptability was emphasized as crucial for navigating the inevitable challenges that come with entrepreneurship. As you move forward, remember that taking actionable steps toward your goals is vital. Start implementing these strategies today and watch how they transform your approach to business. If you found this content valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on entrepreneurship. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who may benefit from these lessons. Together, we can foster a community of aspiring entrepreneurs ready to take charge of their futures. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting you on your journey to becoming your own boss.